Maneno iko wet mbaya sana ya. I've never ever understood the reason why they put the washing machine in the kitchen. Can someone enlighten me, because I fail to understand the logic behind that. Like an architect sits down, yani architect anakaa chini and he comes up with a map, with a framework, with a plan of how that house is going to be built. And the only place they saw it right to put that washing machine is in the kitchen. Can someone enlighten me? Can someone make me understand the reason why they put washing machine in the kitchen? Like the whole house, someone builds a massive bungalow, a mansion, and the only place they decide to put a washing machine is in the kitchen. Like this is a place where these people are going to wash their clothes, dirty clothes. Kitchen, food is cooked there. People are going to eat food from that kitchen. Like I don't get the logic. Yani mtu anakaa tu chini anaamua. Maneno iko wet mbaya sana. Mtu amejenga tu mansionette. Amejenga kinyumba kikubwa. Architect alikuwa hapo akidesign that ao. Like huyo architect akikaa tu chini kwa washroom ange decide aone this place ama atengeneze washing machine its own a small room for washing clothes, like that washing machine to be placed there. I don't get the logic. Like can someone tell me the reason why they put that washing machine there in the kitchen? The kitchen where food is cooked from that kitchen. I've never understood. I've seen this very many times in very many places, in movies, in houses that have been there. Like what is the logic behind that? Can someone enlighten me? Maneno iko wet mbaya. Maneno iko wet mbaya. Hapo kwa comment section hebu mniambie mbona washing machine wewe inako kwa kitchen mahali chakula inapikiwa. Unawashia manguo mahali chakula inapikiwa. Hiyo nyumba uliita architect akachora come up with a plan. A clean plan. A plan. Architect alikaa chini akachora tu nyumba akaona tu washing machine inafaa kukua kwa kitchen. I fail to understand some things. Can someone enlighten me? Maneno iko wet mbaya.